How to stop iMessages going to all Apple devices. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your iMessages from syncing across all your Apple devices. First, grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. At the top, tap on your name to get into your Apple ID settings. Next, scroll down and tap on iCloud. You will see a list of apps using iCloud. Hit Show All, then look for Messages and tap it. Now, you will see an option to sync this iPhone. Just toggle that off. This will stop your messages from syncing to other devices like your iPad or Mac. And that's it. Now, your messages stay private to your iPhone. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I will catch you in my next one. Bye for now.